Pachinko machine. Powered by any kind of battery you want to hook up to the line. Got it hooked up to an electric 9-volt. So the bolts go right in there. Under there. Lights on, it's out of it. It's out. Like I was saying, it's out of bulbs right now because the light's on. It's out, so I'm gonna load this top tray here. That's the light going out. It's positive, negative, positive. You can hook it up to any 6 to 9 volt battery. Even a little small battery will power it. It's just powering the little lights that are in there.